Okay, so we're gonna do encode and decode strings today. This is video number 6. So let's read it quickly. Design an algorithm to encode a list of strings to a string. The encoded string is then sent over the network and is decoded back to the original list of strings. So basically there's gonna be like, okay, yeah. So how do we introduce the size? Oh shit. Okay. So basically, they're gonna give you like an array. Oh my God. Uh, mm, Fucking hell, bro. How do you do this shit? Oh my God. I'm gonna have a crash out. Okay, so it is what it is. I mean, yeah, these videos are not perfect. Okay, okay, I cannot figure this shit out. Okay, but basically, uh, there's gonna be an array, and in the array is gonna be like strings, apple, ball, and things like that. And then you have to decode it. For this video, we're gonna try and just decode it like we're gonna put in the length of the string, and then we're gonna put a hash, and then we're gonna put the string itself, and then we're gonna repeat that. So for apple, the length is 5, hash, apple, and then balls like 3, hash, ball. And then when we decode this, we're gonna have like a pointer um, right here. We're gonna read the length, then we're gonna jump to the string. We're gonna grab the string, and then we're gonna put it in an array, and then we're gonna have the pointer to the next um, length, which is 5. And then we're gonna grab the string again, and then I'm gonna put it again and then in the array. So it's gonna how we do this. Um, okay, let's roll. So this is gonna be pretty simple. I'm just gonna declare an array, and then I'm gonna just have a for loop. I'm gonna do for s and strings. Result. Just gonna append everything real quick. Pretty easy. Result dot append the length. Okay, so we gotta convert the integer into string, by the way. Um, so result dot append s, and then result dot append a hash, and then result dot append the string itself, and then gonna return the result after all of this is over. Okay, so our encode algorithm is done. Now let's start with the decode. So we, yeah, like I said, we're gonna have a pointer first. Um, we're gonna point it to the index 0. We're gonna again declare an array result. Then we're gonna create a for loop, and while I is less than length of s, we're gonna do this. Okay, So, oh shit, I just had a major brain fog. Okay, so while I is less than length of s, what are we supposed to do here? Um, okay, so to grab the string, we're gonna need two pointers. So for now, we'll just assign that second pointer at I. Okay, some space. Yeah, so we'll just assign it at I. And so right now I is at the 0th index and j is also at the 0th index. So at the 0th index, there's the number, right? Yeah. So we'll start moving the j for now. And then we'll be like, we'll have another for loop while loop here, while j is because the digit can also be like 10 or 11. So we need the entire length. Like it can be like 10. I don't know what string is. I mean, yeah, it can be, but like, yeah. So I don't know what string is like 10 characters long, but like if it's like 10 and yeah, like I don't know if it's 10, but like if it's 10, we need and I is at 1, we need the 0 as well. So till we see this hash, we're gonna let J just roll. J, okay, so J is going till, oh shit, I meant while J S of J is equal to hash. Let let go. Okay, so till it sees hash, it will keep on going. I don't know if I've used this correctly. So yeah, like it is, I know like um right here we assigned j to I. So a single equal to sign is how you do that. But um okay, let's see. Let's see. Anyways, okay, so when we see the hash, we're gonna we're gonna be like, okay, so let's grab the length now. So um length is about to be length is equal to s of I till j, and then we're gonna convert this into an integer. Oh shit, shit. Okay, we're gonna put this into an integer. By the way, when you slice, this is called slicing. When you do this, I is included in the slice, but j is not included in the slice. So j is at the hash, right? So j would not be included. We'll just grab the before part, and then um we'll reassign I to a space more than j. And now, so I is like after the hash now. So it is on a character of the string. So we need to grab the entire string. So we'll assign j to I plus length. Pretty neat. Okay. And then so now we have the entire string with between I and j. Um, if I'm not wrong. Mm, yep, we have the entire string. So we'll just append the string back. Result dot append. Oh shit. By the way, we don't return result over here. I forgot to say that because we need to join uh the entire encoding. So we're gonna use the join here and then put the result in the bracket and put a. Okay, so if I had put a comma here, then the uh the return encoding would be like um 3 hash ball comma I don't know 3 hash tall. But because we don't have anything here, it's gonna be like this. Okay, pretty neat. Okay, back to here. Um, uh, okay, so right now we just with a lot of append whatever we have found uh, till from I to J. And I don't know if do we put it inside this? I'm not so sure actually. Let's find out. And then we reassign J and J to the position of I and then return the result. Okay, let's see. Okay, where is it? Incorrect. Length is not defined. Okay. Or not. So we forgot to define length. Okay, we can figure this out. Do we like I am not so sure. But by the way, this is like so bad. Did you? Shit. What is reserved dot account? Oh, sure, I did right here as well. Okay. Um, invalid literal for and replace 10. I am actually confused. This is the Um, invalid entry. Can't do this everywhere. Did I passed an empty string? Oh shit. Oh my god. That is such why S of J is not hash. Shit, this is okay. In my defense, it's like 1 a.m. and I'm pretty tired. Um, yeah, like I'm so tired. By the way, life update. I have a job now. Yep, I go to work and then I work for 12 hours and then I come back from work. So it's not a pretty, it is a lot of learning and this is my first job after being back of so being back to India. So yeah, it is going good, I guess. Um, I am an AI ML engineer, so I basically make like machine learning models or like work on the RAG. Um, right now I'm working on RAG, or like so like we get a bunch of data and then we try to make we try to model that data. Uh, so it's good. It's good. Um, we're always trying to skill up, keep keep practicing, um, and hope hope for a better version of me, I guess. Um, yeah, yeah. This is interesting. I haven't talked before. I think I'm gonna do more of this talking. So um, like we solve something or like we try to code something and then we can have a conversation, something like that. Yeah, this is fun. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.